Welcome back. I am Maya from Millionaire Realtor. Today I'm going to show you around this farmhouse villa for sale near Auroville.
خدمة حبي أنا عمري كله فدا خدمة روحي أنا مالك قدر تنسي مالك قدر تنسي حبنا وكل شيء يا بسماتي في الحياة بدك لك يا أمي بدك أشرب حناني لكي وأسي غربتي نورك قمر حياتي بكي أسراري وفرحتي مر أشرب حناني لكي وأسي غربتي نورك قمر حياتي بكي أسراري وفرحتي العزيزة تفهمني من دماء حبتي لي بدك لك يا أمي بدك لك أحلامي بدك لك يا أمي بدك لك أحلامي عمري كله فدا خدمة حبي أنا عمري كله فدا خدمة روحي أنا مالك قدر تنسي مالك قدر تنسي حبنا وكل شيء يا بسماتي في الحياة بدك لك يا أمي بدك لك أحلامي أشرب حناني لك وأسي غربتي نورك قمر حياتي بك أسراري وفرحتي مر أشرب حناني لك وأسي غربتي نورك قمر حياتي بك أسراري وفرحتي العزيزة تفهمني من دماء حبتي لي يا قاتلة في الحياة بدك لك أيامي بدك لك أحلامي بدك لك أيامي.
This is the entrance to the property. And here to the side you have the service area. And this is the beautiful lush green garden with wonderful landscaping and a variety of so many different plants. And this here is the fire pit, where you can even have a barbecue. And this here is the open kitchen area. And this here is the main passageway, which leads to the house. And this is the most beautiful and stunning swimming pool area. And this is the magnificent waterfall area of the house. Well, luxury and nature got a tad bit closer in Auroville. To enjoy the same experience as me, get the best price and buy this exclusively on Millionaire Realtor. This property land area is 9 grand and the house area is 1,200 square feet. And this is the main entrance of the house. This is the main door of the house. Let's take a look inside. This is the main hall here. And over here we have the kitchen and then the dining hall. Over here you have the first bedroom, and here you have the second bedroom. And here on the first floor, we have another spacious bedroom. And this over here is the bedroom. This here is the bathroom. And this here is the bathtub. Over here we have a lovely little balcony with a stunning view on the swimming pool. Thank you for watching Millionaire Realtor. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.